The workshop is very much useful for me, and it is going fantastic. Wonderful it is.
Wonderful.
Hi, I'm Grace Rajiv. I'm the co-founder of Ahavakan Global Services Private Limited, and in my company, I'm a relationship coach and consultant. Wow, there are a lot of takeaways, but for me, what is more highlighting for it is about the character of a leader, how emotionally they're very strong or not. So I think it makes up the whole thing if character of a what is that the leader is more important. It is beneficial for the whole entire team. So that is actually a highlighting, and Madana Kumar has done a fantastic job in actually explaining everything. So thanks. Definitely, it will work because it is more of people centric than a people friendly leadership. I'm sure it will work, but I think the more awareness, if we can spread out, I think it will definitely work, in my opinion.